Hi everyone, I'm Elwin. Elwin Lee. I'm from Penang and I'm from Winelo Design Renovation. Actually, I got this inspiration because there's a flat which is very old, and I feel that everyone deserves a chance to have a good design in their home. So that's how I got my inspiration from, to give everyone, no matter what, better quality of life. The criteria for good design, I feel not only aesthetically design, but also we have to look at the space. We have to curate the space and maximize the space. So apart from that, we also need to use a good material so that the home will look very premium and luxury. First of all, I would like to thank you this SRODA Awards for giving us the designer opportunity to receive this excellent award. And I hope to do better for everyone in the future. Thank you. SRODA, we design.